March 1st, 2026. Guys, a quick video. I'm going to just come into the intro of it, and then I'm going to back out. I'm going to show you a camera view overlooking Tel Aviv, and off to the far right, I think, is possibly Jerusalem. And then it's going to switch to some cell phone cameras that are showing the effects of what you're going to see happening in Jerusalem. And it's overwhelming missile attacks. We talked about this in a couple of videos, guys, that the mountain ranges are so vast in Iran. There could be hundreds of sites where you could launch missiles. Plus, you can launch them from mobile trucks and things like that, guys, and then shoot, move, and communicate. You know the old saying. Anyway, I'm going to back out of this. This is going to come in live from Tel Aviv earlier tonight, and you'll hear the sirens, and you're going to see the attacks and the counterattacks. But you're going to hear some explosions. But until we go to the cell phone footage, you're not going to see the full impacts. Over to the right, you're going to see smoke starting to come up. You'll see the rocket trails as Iron Dome is launched. You can see the rocket dome there. But guys, the end of this, it's what's overwhelming. I don't know how you could stop that type of missile barrage. So again, we mentioned multiple attack points are possible in the mountains of Iran. Again, mobile, stationary, whatever. And it looks like they're doing it now. When they do this, they're going to light up some radar and target themselves. But again, if it's mobile or they have so many, it's like you're sacrificing this section because for this barrage, this section for the next one, whatever. But guys, this is overwhelming. We're going to get more reports. I think Trump has responded saying that all hell's about to break loose. But again, it looks like in Tehran itself, I don't think they're coming from that area. It's so heavily watched. Could be, again, from some of the different locations. And one of you guys in the comments earlier said you had reports of 9 Iranian battleships or Navy ships that had been taken out already, and that was several hours ago. But again, guys, I'm going to back out. You're going to see Tel Aviv first, and then I think cell phone images coming from Jerusalem. Heads up, be safe.
way to stop all that. Seek shelter, man. Seek shelter. I couldn't imagine what it would be like being on the ground out there. Crazy. Now this one is in Jerusalem. This is a direct hit. Stop something. By the time you realize that thing is coming at you, you're dead. There's no escaping that. They're coming in so fast, it's insane. I probably wouldn't be out there filming. I'd probably go 60 shelter. Gotta get them views on TikTok, though, right? I guess he didn't think it would ever come that close to him. Huh? And Donald Trump actually released a statement.